Hello again, good morning. Well, it stays exceptionally cold for us today. The bluer the map, the colder it is. Temperatures fell to -17 in Northern Ireland last night and -16 across Cumbria. Temperatures into minus double figures across many zones this morning. Temperatures much below freezing for most of Britain and Ireland as the day goes on, in fact. So we will see widespread frost, a sharp frost, and icy stretches on untreated roads and pavements this morning. We're also going to see some dense patches of freezing fog, adding to the hazards if you're having to travel out there today. Northern Ireland, central Scotland, through to northern England, the Midlands and the southwest will see some poor visibility for a time, and fresh falls of snow trickling into northern Scotland, the northeast, parts of Northern Ireland, into Anglesey and Wales, the rest of Wales as well. Much of the snow through the west will be concentrated through northern and central Wales, working its way into the West Midlands. The snow mostly light and patchy, a few centimetres accumulating in some spots, nowhere near the problems we saw yesterday through the West Country, and then further north and east, better, brighter conditions. No fresh falls of snow, but plenty of snow lying around, and there will be some sunshine, but it will be cold enough for that snow and the ground to remain frozen. Snow showers into the rest of northern Britain, moving in on a northerly breeze, but in sheltered spots where the fog lifts, there will be some gloriously wintry sunshine out there. Temperatures plunging overnight, frosty and icy again. That area of snow in the west working its way eastwards through the East Midlands, East Anglia, and areas of North London, just in time for tomorrow's rush hour. We could see a few centimetres of snow bringing some disruption, and we could see anywhere between 10 and 15 centimetres of snow falling across higher ground. Well, the seriously cold air sticks with us not only today but over the next few days, with fresh falls of snow forecast, as well as very frosty ice conditions both overnight, early and late. The blue colour on the map represents just how cold we've been over the last 24 hours. Last night we saw temperatures dip to -17 and -16. It's only really the extreme southeastern tip and southwestern tip of England which will see slightly higher temperatures this morning. Here temperatures just above freezing point. For the rest of us, temperatures are way below freezing, and we will see not only frost and ice this morning but some patches of freezing fog in many locations, giving some poor visibility. Visibility down to just 50 metres in Belfast and 100 metres in Glasgow. Through the course of the day, showers of snow into much of central Wales, moving across to the east into the West Midlands. Elsewhere, better chance of sunshine, particularly the further north and east you go. Fresh falls of snow into northern Scotland and northern parts of Ireland. Into the rest of Scotland, well, here fog patches will lift and there will be some stunning wintry sunshine, but terribly cold for all of us. Temperatures will plunge and the snow will be working its way eastwards overnight to affect parts of the home countries and counties, East Anglia and parts of these areas tomorrow morning, to bring some severe disruption for the journey into work. Terribly cold again. Temperatures plunged to -17 and -16 last night through Cumbria and Northern Ireland, and temperatures quite widely below freezing point this morning. The only places we're seeing temperatures just above freezing is the extreme southeast and the extreme southwest. Elsewhere, widespread frost, ice and freezing fog through the northwest and into the Midlands down to the southwest. We will see fresh falls of snow today, particularly through northern zones of Scotland, Northern Ireland and parts of Wales, through Anglesey, northern parts of Wales into central spots and across to the West Midlands. Elsewhere, less of a problem with falling snow, but lots of lying snow on the ground. Temperatures barely above freezing point today, and there will be some sunshine developing, but it will stay terribly cold in all locations. The snow in the north mostly for coastal fringes of Scotland and Northern Ireland. Elsewhere, once the fog disperses, a gloriously sunny day, but temperatures plunge again this evening and overnight. The lowest temperatures likely across the north over the snowfields. Further south, that snow across the West Midlands working its way into the East Midlands, East Anglia and parts of the home counties tomorrow to affect these areas of the southeast, and this snow could bring some disruption through tomorrow morning's rush hour. We could see snow accumulating in some locations, anywhere between 10 and 15 centimetres.